Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and choosing a path. Install Termux plus a text editor, grant storage and developer options, and free 2 GB or more. Once done, decide whether you'll run a remote IDE like VS Code Server or use local lightweight build tools. The remote way offloads compilation. Make sure you understand battery and thermal limits, phone's throttle. Now open Termux, update packages, and create a project folder so the next steps operate from a predictable location. You now install the toolchain. In Termux, install OpenJDK 11 or connect via SSH to a remote VM if your phone lacks horsepower. Once installed, download Android SDK command line tools and add SDK Manager and a DB to path so Gradle can find them. Then generate the Gradle wrapper in your project. It ensures consistent builds. Next, connect your code editor. Either attach VS Code Server remotely or configure a local editor with Java and Kotlin plugins and a DB integration. This prepares compile and deploy steps. You finish by compiling and deploying. Run /gradlu assemble debug locally or initiate a remote build, then install the APK with a DB install R. Make sure USB debugging or TCP a DB is enabled. Once deployed, test features and inspect logs with a DB logcat to find runtime issues. If builds fail, verify path entries, Java 11 versus other versions, accepted SDK licenses, and available storage. And if installation errors persist, restart a DB server and reconnect. This simple reset resolves many mobile development interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.